Sound of vowel E. Read aloud the words with vowel E. Pen, hen, bed, wet, key, jet, pet, net, den, ten, leg, men. Sing aloud. Eena, meena. Eena, meena, meena, mo. Catch the bad boy by his toe. If he cries, let him go. Eena, meena, meena, mo.